In order to install a terminal or command prompt window in your Sublime, you first are going to have to obviously open up Sublime. Once you have this open, you're going to go to Tools and then Command Palette. Once you're in this window, right here, you're going to type in Install, and it's the first one. Package Control, Install Package. It's going to pop this window up. If you don't get this little window, then just repeat the previous step. So then here you're going to type in Terminus. And for me, it won't pop up because I already installed it. But once you find Terminus, it should be the first one. Go ahead and install that. And then in order to access it, you have to go to Tools, Command Palette. And then right here, when you get this, you're just going to type in Terminus, and it's this one where it says Open Default Shell and Panel. And then you should get this. So now the cool thing about this is, watch. Let me go ahead and open a fresh page, a fresh window. So now if we open up recent files, so this is the folder where I keep my assignments. Once you're here, the cool thing about this is Terminus. See, I'm already inside Programs, which is the main folder where all my assignments are in. So now in order to go into one of these, for example, test hello, so you can see the code here. In order to get into one of these, I just type in cd test hello. And now I'm inside that folder to run stuff. So Java hello. See? So now if you want to go back to your previous folder or choose another folder, all you have to do is type in cd space 2 periods, a /, and then whatever other folder. For example, I'm going to go into test quote. All right, so here's a code for that. And right here, just type in test quote. So again, that's cd period / test quote. And now you are inside test quote. So then you can run Java quote. See, here it is. And now to close it, you just, log out, and you can go ahead and quit Sublime. That's it.